Ever wondered why some people ace the IELTS exam while others struggle? The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is a significant hurdle for many. It tests your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills, and for some this can be daunting. The challenges are manifold, from mastering complex vocabulary to effectively managing time. But fear not, success in IELTS is achievable, and we're here to guide you on this journey. Stay tuned to hear from those who've conquered the IELTS beast. Or meet Sarah and John, two individuals who successfully navigated the IELTS maze. Sarah, a diligent planner, started her preparation months ahead. She built an impressive vocabulary, practiced listening to a variety of English accents, and perfected her essay writing skills. Her secret? Consistency and practice. Then we have John, a full-time professional who juggled work and IELTS prep. He focused on understanding the test format and honing his test-taking strategies. His biggest challenge? Time management. But with a strict study schedule and efficient use of his limited time, he turned this obstacle into a strength. Both Sarah and John faced their own sets of challenges, but they never lost sight of their goals. Their success wasn't an overnight phenomenon. It was the result of meticulous planning, relentless practice, and unwavering determination. Clearing the IELTS exam opened new doors for them, broadening their horizons and presenting them with exciting opportunities. As we've heard from Sarah and John, the right approach can make all the difference. Now, let's delve into the pitfalls that you should avoid in the IELTS exam. It's quite common for test takers to lose marks due to avoidable mistakes. For instance, in the listening section, many aspirants fail to transfer their answers to the answer sheet within the stipulated time. To avoid this, always keep track of time and start transferring your answers as soon as you're allowed. In the reading section, it's not uncommon to see test takers misinterpreting the questions or skimming too quickly, leading to incorrect answers. The key here is to read each question carefully and understand what it's asking before you start to answer. And when it comes to the writing section, some individuals tend to go off topic or exceed the word limit, which can result in penalization. Stay focused on the given task and keep an eye on your word count. Lastly, in the speaking section, a common mistake is to give short, unelaborated answers. Always aim to give detailed and thoughtful responses. Remember, awareness of these common mistakes is the first step towards avoiding them. Time is of the essence, especially when it comes to IELTS. Time management is a crucial skill that can make or break your test performance. For the listening section, you have only 30 minutes, so focus on understanding the speaker's main idea and don't get lost in the details. Reading, on the other hand, requires a strategic approach. Spend no more than 1 minute per question, and if you're stuck, move on. Writing might seem daunting with 2 tasks in just 60 minutes. But remember, plan first, write second. Allocate 5 minutes to outline your thoughts before you start writing. And for speaking, practice expressing your thoughts clearly and concisely. You only have 15 minutes to showcase your language skills. Mastering time management can significantly enhance your IELTS performance. We've received some questions from our listeners about the IELTS exam. Let's answer them. One listener asked, "How can I improve my reading speed for the reading section?" A great strategy is to practice skimming and scanning texts for important information. Try reading articles from English newspapers or magazines in your spare time to build this skill. Another question we got was, what's a good way to expand my vocabulary? Well, a word of the day approach can be beneficial. Dedicate some time each day to learn new words and their usage. Remember, understanding context is just as important as knowing the word itself. Keep those questions coming and we'll keep providing the answers. As we wrap up today's episode, remember this: preparation is paramount. Be aware of common pitfalls and strategize to avoid them. Master your time, for it's your most valuable asset. Success in the IELTS exam is within your reach. Believe in yourself and keep pushing.